hunters, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So I am reviewing a wig from LUVME Hair. As y'all can see, she's already pre-styled. She's going to come with, nice little goodies, a mirror, a little elastic band, and also a brush. Now she is a wig with a bang. I will put the measurements of the actual lace down below as well. Everything about this wig will be in my description box. That is what the inside of the wig will look like. So y'all, loved what the hair looked like on the picture. But baby, I didn't know it was going to be giving this, okay? First of all, this wig was already parted on the right side. And if you are an avid watcher of me, you know I love me a left part wig. Again, this wig is able to, I could have made a left side part in this unit because of the measurement of the lace, but the way it was already like styled, it was already on the right side. So, Now the bang was very interesting. Either the bang was too short or it was just layered a certain way. I just had to really zone in on how I wanted this to look. Obviously, I did not pluck her. I didn't even have to glue her down, but if you wanted to glue her down, you can. I really liked how beginner friendly this was, but she was, in my opinion, she was missing some volume to her. One side of her head was, of course, curly, and the other side, was curled as well. But as you can see in the front part, I am going to be bumping her a little bit with some curls on the side. Yeah, that bang was just very tricky. Like, it wasn't laying how I was expecting it to lay. But yeah, I ended up making it work. Like I told y'all, I had added a little bit more curls on the side to give the other side a little bit more volume because I felt like it fell a little bit too flat for me on that side. So then I did put in my NARS foundation in the parting space. So y'all see, this is already finna be a short video because we already, 3 minutes in, and I'm already coloring the lace part of this wig. So y'all, if that doesn't tell you how easy and simple this wig is to put on, y'all. I did want to add a couple of more curls in her. She already came pre-styled, pre-curled, but y'all see that, I wanted to add some more curls in her so I can give her more volume, more definition. Even though this wig didn't give the exact look of the picture. I actually loved how soft this hair was. I love how it didn't tangle and it didn't shed. Like, I got no type of shedding and no type of tangling. The lace was actually pretty good. It blended in really well with my skin. The only major thing that I was kind of looking like, okay, if this wig was different, this is what I would have did. She would have been on the left side part. I would have gave her a little bit more volume on, you know, the other side of the wig because she was a little flat. But I love how she already came pre-styled. So if you have to just, you know, finesse some more curls in her, absolutely do that. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. The pricing, where you can get it, the link, all of that will be in my description box. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank LUVME Hair for even sending me this unit to review. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys are liking, sharing, subscribing to my channel, pushing that bell notification so you don't miss none of my future uploads. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga on A1, baby, back in that A-con, baby,